we have to find which expression has greater value. So what we have to do, we have to just calculate these values. First expression, we have 51 minus 4 plus 5. So this is equal 51. We start from the left and we are going to the right. 51 minus 4 is 47. And we have plus 5, so this is equal 52. And the second expression, we have negative 11 plus 67 minus 5. We start from the left side. We have negative integer plus positive. How we do this? We check which of these two numbers is greater. 67 is greater than 11. So we copy the sign of the greater number, so we have positive, and in parentheses we subtract from the greater number smaller. So 67 minus 11 minus 5 we rewrite, so this is equal, positive sign we copy. 67 minus 11 is 56 minus 5, so this is equal, positive sign we don't have to write, so we have just 56 minus 5, this is 51. And now we have to compare these two values. We have 52 and 51. Of course, 52 is greater than 51. So we can write that expression 51 minus 4 plus 5 has greater value. This is my solution.